JD Cap 26 here. We're just doing the return tips, and we're going to clean out the pressure pot. And all you need is really a sharp putty knife, and afterwards you're going to put a cardboard insert and a plate covered in wax paper, and you just use a stapler to do that. I'll show you a little secret here. What you want to do here is shake up some mold release, some Mann's 200, and spray the inside of the pot. Give it a good liberal amount. Wear a mask when you do this. You should do that, every so often. And then you want to put your bottom piece in. That's the covered one. Spray that. Then I put a secondary one. Okay? Paper plate covered with wax paper. And just do that. You're not going to take up too much space in there, so don't worry about it. And then you're going to take some Vaseline and chip brush and just go along the edges like this. And that helps you to seal the edge of the pot when you crank it down with your bolts, your wing nuts. Just gives it a better seal. And that'll last only so long, and you could put a little bit more of that on every so often. Okay? So put your top on, you're all set. Basically, that's what I want to show you today. Just spray the inside with some release. It'll help the resin to not stick to the pot. The pot has Teflon on around in the side of the pot. So I want to show you that today. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and share.